snag a deal on this 2003 Honda Accord Cape X before someone else takes it home. Comfortable yet easy to maneuver, its low-maintenance automatic transmission and its durable gas i4 2.4L/144 engine have lots of pep for an inexpensive price. It comes equipped with these options: front-rear floor mats, body color impact-absorbing bumpers, remote keyless entry with window controls, front-rear 3-point seat belts with seat-integrated anchors, 16 aluminum wheels, 5-speed automatic transmission with OD, steering wheel-mounted audio controls, front-rear map lights, body color PWR mirrors, door handles, security alarm system. You've done your research, so stop by Sloan Ford at 415 West Lincoln Highway, Exton, Pennsylvania, 19341 today to take a test drive of this great vehicle.